you're on your way to creating your first quiz. The first screen you're presented with is the manager. On this screen, you have a few important choices to make. Selecting the group or groups determines who will take the quiz. The opening and closing date isn't mandatory, but it can be used if you want your users to take a quiz within a certain amount of time. If you want your quiz to be taken over and over again, you'll want to check Recurring Quiz. You can then select how often it should repeat and how many days before it's due. The checkbox labeled Ability to Check Answer if Correct means a check button will appear while the user is taking the quiz so that they are able to choose an answer and see if it is correct. If you allow users to check their answers, you will be able to determine if they are able to change their answer if it is incorrect. Allowing feedback gives the user a text box at the end to give their thoughts on the quiz. Randomize Questions is used in the situation where cheating is a conflict. Randomizing the questions makes the question order random so users won't be seeing the same questions at the same time. Lastly, you can allow users to retake the quiz for a better score. Once you're finished, click Save. After pressing Save, the secondary sidebar will give more options. Next, you will want to enter your questions by clicking Questions in the secondary sidebar. To choose different types of question layouts, use the drop-down next to Type. Multiple choice is a normal quiz question with all text questions and answers. Multiple choice media allows you to add a form of media along with the question. You can change the layout from side to side to up and down by clicking the icons next to the type of question. Multiple choice with pictures changes all answers to be pictures. Enter your question into the large text box and add answers below. To create multiple answers, push the plus button. If you want to delete an answer, simply push the X to the right of the answer. To add another question, push the plus button below the line after the answers. Make sure to save all your answers by pressing the Save All Questions button on the top or bottom of the questions. Also, from the secondary sidebar, you can preview and duplicate the quiz as well as view the reports. The Reports tab will be used once the quiz has been taken. The report will show who has taken the quiz, what their score was, and what answers they chose. You can also archive the quiz in the secondary sidebar. Once archived, it will show up under Admin Quizzes and the Archive tab. You can unarchive and permanently delete the quiz from here.